Good morning and welcome to Morning Math Day 28. You just need your pencil and paper. Let's get started straight away. Question 1. 600 plus 70 plus something equals 672. 600. When I say and, that's because plus means and. 600 and or plus 70 and or plus a mystery box, which I'll just fit in, equals 672. So in the answer we've got 600, which is there. That's the hundreds column on this, isn't it? We've got 7 tens, which is there. 7 tens, 70, but we haven't got the units, which is 2. So the 2 was missing. That's what goes in the missing box. 600 plus 70 plus 2 equals 672. Moving on to question 2. 135 plus 257. We'll definitely use the column method for this because they're big numbers, 2 3-digit numbers. 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3, 392. And we're going to question 3. 9 take away 3, that's quite easy for us after what we've been doing lately. 9 take away 3. On a number line you could go to 9 and take away 3. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is 6 equals 6. Question 4 next. 3 times 6. You've got 3, but you haven't got it 1 time, you've got it 6 times, which is quite a lot. So I'll sing my 3s 6 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, 18. It's 18. It's not a very good 8. 18. Bit better. Question 5. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. Did I say question 8? I don't know what I said. Question 5. Sometimes I forget what I've said and if it's right or not. Anyway, question 5 is 12 divided by 3. Do we have 12 Lego people? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We do. We're putting them into 3 groups if we divide them by 3. Share 12 Lego people between 3 humans, you could do. 1, 2, I've drawn 3 big groups to put them in. So share them out fairly. Each group's got 1. Now each group's got 2. Now each group's got 3. Now each group's got 4. So the answer is 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. That's year 3 done. We'll be moving on to year 4 work now. Year 4 level anyway. I know some year 3s can do it. Oops. Right, question 6, year 4 level. 500 plus a mystery plus 9. 500 plus a mystery plus 9 equals 539. Well, you see we've got the 500 here, which is shown here. We haven't got any tens shown, but we've got 9 units shown. Units 9. What's missing is 3t, 3 tens, 30. So the missing number is 30. Moving on to question 7. $3,271. This is big column method now, year 4 level column method. You should be able to do 4 digits plus 4 digits. Copy the question carefully. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7,869. I think question 8 will fit on here as well. 507. I always think the hardest takeaways have zeros on the top line. 7 take away 1 is 6, and then we get stuck because 0 take away 3 we can't do. 5 goes down to 4. We can borrow 1. So 10 take away 3, 10 tens take away 3 tens is 7 tens. This is worth 70, of course, in the 76. 400s plus minus. 400s minus 200s is 200s. Just check I was doing the right sign. I think so. 276, because minus makes things get smaller. So 507 got smaller. Moving on to question 9. Question 9 is times. 214 lots of 5. Grid method. 214. So that's 200 and a 10 and a 4 multiplied by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Place 2 zeros. This is like 5 times 2, but it's actually 5 times 200, so it's 1,000. 5 times 10, we know that's 50. 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So our answer is 1,000 and 50 and 20. 1,000 plus 50 plus 20. 1,050 plus 20, 1,070. You can add it up with column method if you're not sure. This time I've added it up in my head. And we can move on to question 10. Bus stop 4 division. 524 shared between 4. How many 4s fit into 5? 4 is just 1. Sing my 4s, but I can only sing them once. Remainder 1. How many 4s fit into 12? 4, 8, 12 is 3. How many 4s fit into 4? 4 is exactly 1. I'm counting on my fingers in this, and my fingers tell me what number to put on the top, if you do it that way, if you like to do it that way. And on the year 5 level work, question 11. 3,000 plus 20 plus something equals 3,027. 3,000 plus 20 plus a mystery equals 3,027. So you can hear the 3,020 when you say 3,027. What's missing is the 7 units. 7. And we're on to question 12. I think I'll fit this here. For total, you know what that means, don't you? It means plus. Total of 4,000 and 8,999. Total of those. 4,000, 8,999. 9, 9, and 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12,999. Question 13. 4,692. Take away 2,358. Well, we know 2 take away 8 won't work. So 2 will need some help from this 9, which goes down to an 8. 1 comes across. 12 take away 8 is 4. 8 take away 5 is 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. 4 take away 2 is 2. Minus makes things smaller. 2,334 is our answer. And we're on question 14. Question 14. 935 multiplied by 3. 5 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 times 9, 27 plus 1, 28. 2,805. Question 15 next. Share 4,956 between 3. 4,956 between 3. How many 3's in 4? 3 is just 1. Carried a 1. How many 3's in 19? 3, 6, 12. Start again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I can get 6 3's into 18, but that's 19, so remainder 1. How many 3's in 15? 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 is 5. How many 3's in 6 is 2. 1,652. And we're on the year 6 level work, which unfortunately I forgot to uncover, didn't I, this time? That's probably messed a few people up. Apologies for that. Question 16. 6,600 plus a mystery, sorry, 6,600, yeah, like that, plus a mystery, plus 8, all that altogether makes 6,648. So 6,600, that's there, isn't it? 6 in the thousands, 6 in the hundreds. And that 4 tens is not in there. The 8 units is. So missing is the 4 tens. 4 tens, of course, 40. That's what goes in there. On to question 17. Addition. Doesn't matter what number you put on the top. I'm going to put the number with more digits on the top, and is actually bigger. Numbers with more digits are not always bigger when you're dealing with decimals. Line up the decimal point, otherwise you can't get this right. Must line up the decimal point. Some people like to place a 0 here. You don't have to on plus, as I always say. Do the addition. And we get 8,679, do we? Definitely not. We get 8.679, which is a very different number. 4 and a bit plus 3 and a bit is 8 and a bit. 4 plus 3 is only 7, but because of the carried one, it went up to 8. So that makes sense. And we're on question 18. 2020. I wonder if it's the year 2020 when you're doing this. 2020, 20. Take away 372. 0 take away 2, we can't do. Get some help. 10 take away 2 is 8. 1 take away 7 we can't do. We tried to get some help from the 0, but there's none, so we get some help from the 2. 10 goes down to a 9. 11 take away 7 is 4. 9 take away 3 is 6. And that very small one is actually worth 1,000. 1,648. If you do know number bonds to 1,000, well, that doesn't really help with this, because this is number bonds to 1,020. So I need another way of checking. 28 goes with 72 to make 100, and another 20 is 48. Yep, that makes sense. And question 19. Multiplication's getting a little bit bigger here. They'll be moving up, the year 6 level will be moving up into 2-digit multiplication after a while. The level just slightly rises of this work each day. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1, 16. 5 times 7, 35, plus 1, 36. 5 times 8, 40, plus 3, 43. 5 times 2, 10, plus 4, 14. That's big. 143,660. Estimate could be 30,000 times 5 is 150,000. So yeah, 143,660 seems good to me. And we'll just do a little bus stop for number 20 at the end. 12.57 divided by 3. 12.57 divided by 3. 3 into 1 is 0, carried a 1. 3 into 12 is 4. 3 into 5 is 1, carried a 2. And 3 into 27 is 9. 4.19. That makes sense. 19 is a third of 57. 4 is a third of 12. You're finding a third of something, you know, if you divide by 3. It's the same as finding 1/3 of something. So that question 20 could be written 1/3 of 12.57, and it would be the same answer, 4.19. So if you need to find a third of something, divide by 3. If you need to find a quarter of something, divide by 4. If you need to find a fifth of something, divide by 5. If you need to find a sixth of something, divide by 6. Let's see the answers. 4.19 and everything else. Thank you.